Okay. So already we have started dependent clause, independent clauses. Okay, if you join the sentences using that adverbs, okay, see here, just already I have given these examples also. Here, two classes can be joined using that adverbs. You are going to get just one dependent class will be there, one independent class will be there using when, since, as. These adverbs, if you use these adverbs to join those classes and how they are working, let us see is. So already we have just discussed these three sentences, three examples they have given. First sentence, they joined using as. And second sentence, they used when. Third sentence, since in the textbook. So now I'm going to ask you, so already I explained you what is dependent class and what is independent class. So dependent class means the clause which will depend on another clause. So without another clause, it goes, it is going to miss the meaning and complete sense we won't get. That is called dependent clause. Dependent ante vere vaalla meeda aadharapaddam. So even this clause also will be depending on another clause. So without that clause, inkoka clause lekunte it goes meaningless. Complete meaning anedi deeniki raadu. So that is called dependent clause. The clause which will depend on another clause, it is called dependent clause. And another clause is there, independent clause. The clause which will not depend on another clause, that is called independent clause. So here dependent clause అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఇంకొక రెండు clauses ఉంటాయమ్మా ఈ sentence లో. So dependent clause is going to depend on independent clause, but independent clause it can stand by its own. Independent clause అనేది వేరే clause మీద depend అవ్వదు. Okay, so already we have discussed this in the previous class, and today I have brought few more examples. Now you can identify, okay, in these sentences you can identify which is dependent clause and which is independent clause. Mahendra, you can put the first slide, Mahendra. First slide. Yes, thank you. So you can check here. I have given three sentences. You can note down. So first sentence you write down in the classwork. Just you write down first sentence. What is first sentence, ma? When the maid lit the fire, the room became warmer and brighter. This is the sentence. Okay, in this two clauses are there. One is dependent clause, one is independent clause. Just you tell me which is dependent clause, which is dependent clause. So in this, which is dependent clause? ఇక్కడ టూ పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో, టూ క్లాజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఒకటేమో వేరే క్లాస్ మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటది, ఇంకో క్లాస్ ఏమో ఇట్ కెన్ స్టాండ్ బై ఇట్స్ ఓన్. వేరే క్లాస్ లేకపోయినా ఇది మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటది. See, I'll give the example. See, when the maid lit the fire, when the maid lit the fire, maid servant వెలిగించినప్పుడు, when the maid lit the fire, నిప్పు వెలిగించినప్పుడు, when the maid lit the fire, maybe candle or whatever it may be, వెలిగించినప్పుడు, till there one part. Next one is the room became warmer and brighter. So here the room became warmer and brighter is one part. When the maid lit the fire is another part. Okay, so here which part is depending on what? Just tell me which is dependent clause and which is independent clause. Any of you can answer. ఇందులో డిపెండెంట్ ఏది, ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఏదమ్మా? Just you can read and tell. When the maid lit the fire, అక్కడికి ఆపేసాం అనుకోండి, are you going to get the complete sense? Complete meaningful గా ఉందా? When the maid lit the fire. Okay ma, Aiza. Is it okay now? Is it clear now? Is it clear, my voice? Am I audible to all, ma? Am I audible? Voice clear ga unda amma andarki?
Undi madam, clear ga undi. Okay madam.
Mahendra?
Clear ga undi madam.
Okay. Yes. So ikkada just if you stop when the maid lit the fire, akkada kaapesam anukondi, are you going to get the complete sense? Idi complete meaning istundamma. Ama వెలిగించినప్పుడు అని ఆపేసాను అనుకోండి, is it going to give complete meaning ఇస్తుందా? వెలిగించినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? So immediately we will stop and just we will be waiting for the answer. The remaining part కోసము వెయిట్ చేస్తాం to get the complete sense. So it is dependent clause. ఇక్కడ dependent clause ఏది? When the maid lit the fire. Okay, you write down after the sentence, you write down dependent clause. Dependent clause and petti dan pakkana idi raskondi. When the maid lit the fire. So in next line lo independent clause and rayandi. So what is independent clause here? Ikkada independent clause edamma? The room became warmer and brighter anedi independent clause. So first part lekapoyina idi meaningful ga undi. Chudandi, the room became warmer and brighter anedi full meaning istundi. So it is independent clause. See the second sentence. See the second sentence. When he opened the window, the cat jumped in. When he opened the window, the cat jumped in. So in that, which is dependent, which is independent, ma? Any of you can answer. Which is dependent, which is independent? Dependent clause ఏది? Dependent అంటే వేరే clause మీద ఆధారపడింది. Yes, when he opened the window. So you can unmute and answer, ma. Otherwise, I can't hear your voice. While answering, you can unmute and answer. When he opened the window. When he opened the window అనేది dependent clause. Then what is independent clause? Independent clause edamma? The cat jumped in anedi independent clause. Yes, good. Just you write down. Sentence rasi dani kinda dependent clause and rasi when he opened the window. Independent clause vachi the cat jumped in. Next, third sentence, you write down the third sentence. Third sentence, when she returned home safely, everyone was happy. When she returned home safely, everyone was happy. So what is dependent clause in this? Yes, very good. When she returned home safely, that is a dependent clause. What is independent clause, ma?
Everyone was happy.
Very good. Everyone was happy. Very good. Everyone was happy is independent clause. Hope you understood now. Is it clear, ma? Arthamaindi kada concept arthamaindi kada ma? So ఏ క్లాజ్ అయితే వేరే క్లాజ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుందో దాన్ని డిపెండెంట్ క్లాజ్ అంటాము. ఏ క్లాజ్ అయితే వేరే క్లాజ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వకుండా కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్ ఇవ్వగలదో దాన్ని ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాజ్ అంటామమ్మా. ఓకే. Now let us move to the next slide. Mahendra, next slide వేయండి. Next slide, Mahendra. Yeah. Just you can check the fourth sentence, ma. Fourth sentence. Write down. Everyone should write in the classwork. I'm going to ask you to show the classworks now. Fourth sentence. I think I will stay home and watch a film since it's raining. Since it's raining. Okay. In this, which is independent clause, which is dependent? You tell me, which is dependent? Since it is raining. Since it is raining is dependent clause. Don't think that which comes first, that is dependent, and which comes second, that is independent. Ala anukodandamma. First ochindi dependent, second ochindi independent kaadu. Just you read, try to understand. After that, you tell me. Okay. Since it is raining, anedi dependent. Since it is raining, annam anukondi. So, raining, varsham padutunnanduvalla. So, apesam anukondi, it is meaningless. It is not giving complete sense. Varsham padutunnanduvalla emaindi, em cheyalekapoyavu. So here it is a question mark. Question alage untadi. So it is dependent clause. Since it is raining is dependent clause. Then what is independent clause? Independent clause edamma andulo. I think I will stay home and watch a film. Write down. I think I will stay home and watch a film. Vishnu, you are not writing. Aitepalli Vishnu, you are not writing. Write down. Next, fifth sentence, ma, write down the fifth sentence. Since the plane is going to be an hour late, let us go and get some coffee. Since the plane is going to be an hour late, let us go and get some coffee. So in this, which is dependent, ma? Which is dependent? Which is dependent
Go
clause?
and get some.
Since the plane
Let's
is
go and
going
get some
to be an
coffee.
hour late. Plane 1 hour late ga వెళ్తున్నందువల్ల. సో ఈ కారణంగా. సో ఈ కారణంగా అన్నప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్. ఏమైంది? ఆ కారణంగా ఏం చేయబోతున్నావు? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ సెన్స్. సో సిన్స్ ద ప్లేన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి అన్ అవర్ లేట్ తీసుకున్నారంటే కూడా అది మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఉంది కదమ్మా. Let us go and get some coffee అనేది మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఉంది. It is giving complete sense. So it is independent clause. Yes. Next one. Next sentence. Sion had no reason to take a taxi since his flat was near enough to walk to. Yes. So in this, which is dependent and which is independent? Sion had no reason to take a taxi since his flat was near enough to walk to. Dependent clause is since his flat was near enough to walk to. So atan flat నడిచి వెళ్ళేంత దగ్గరలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమైంది? అతను టాక్సీ తీసుకోలేదు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాజ్. ఫ్లాట్ దగ్గరగా ఉండడం వల్ల దట్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాజ్. ఉండడం వల్ల ఏమైంది? దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండెంట్. Sian had no reason to take a taxi. అక్కడ వరకు independent clause. Sian had no reason to take a taxi, independent clause. Since his flat was near enough to walk to, that is dependent clause. Yes, next sentence. Since her husband hated holidays so much, she decided to go on her own. Since her husband hated holidays so much, she decided to go on her own. So which can stand by its own? ఏది ఇందులో ఏ క్లాజ్ వేరే క్లాజ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంది చెప్పండి. Which is independent, వేరే క్లాజ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వకుండా కంప్లీట్ మీనింగ్. She decided to go on her own. She decided to go on her own. ఆమె తను ఒక్కటే వెళ్ళాలని నిర్ణయించుకుంది. So that is independent. వేరే clause లేకపోయినా it is giving complete sense. So it is independent clause. And the first part is dependent clause. Since her husband hated holidays so much. వాళ్ళ ఆయన హాలిడేస్ అంటే నచ్చదు కాబట్టి అన్నప్పుడు ఇంకా ఉంది. Otherwise it is incomplete. So till there it is dependent clause. So first part is dependent. Since her husband hated holidays so much. అక్కడ వరకు dependent clause అమ్మా. She decided to go on her own. Independent clause.
Independent clause.
Next sentence you write down. They couldn't deliver the parcel since no one was there to answer the door. They couldn't deliver the parcel
First the-
since no one was there to answer the door. In this, the first clause, they couldn't deliver the parcel. They couldn't deliver the parcel. వాళ్ళు పార్సల్ ని డెలివర్ చేయలేకపోయారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాస్. వాళ్ళు పార్సల్ ని డెలివర్ చేయలేకపోయారు.
Yes, madam.
Complete meaning. It can stand by its own. So it is
Yes, madam.
independent clause. Second part is there. No, second part. That is, since no one was there to answer the door.
This is
అనేది
dependent
dependent clause. Dependent clause.
Dependent clause.
Yes.
Dependent clause.
Since no one was there to answer the door. That is a dependent clause. Understood ma? Is it clear?
Dependent clause.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైందా అందరికి? Okay, now let us move to the next
Yes, madam.
slide. Mahendra, next slide వేయండి.
Understood, madam.
Yes. Next slide, Mahendra. Yeah. So 3 more sentences are there, ma. You can work out on this also. I went to bed at 9 p.m. as I had a plan to catch at 6 a.m. I went to bed at 9 p.m. నేను 9 గంటలకంతా నిద్రపోయాను. As I had a plan to catch at 6 a.m. రేపు ఉదయం 6 o'clock కి ప్లాన్ ని క్యాచ్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి. So here which is dependent, which is independent? First part you see, I went to bed at 9 p.m. నేను 9 గంటలకు నిద్రపోయాను. So it is complete in sense. Complete meaning ఇస్తుంది కదమ్మా first part. So it is independent clause. Independent clause. I went to bed at 9 p.m. That is independent clause. And second part is there, no, as I had a plan to catch at 6 p.m. That is dependent clause. As I had a plan to catch at 6 p.m. is 6 a.m. is dependent.
Dependent clause.
First one independent and second one dependent. Okay, next one see 10th sentence. As the forecast predicted, the weather was dreadful for the whole of the weekend. As the forecast predicted. As the forecast predicted. Okay. So ముందు చెప్పిన విధంగానే the weather was dreadful for the whole of the weekend. So ikkada first part it is dependent. As the forecast predicted. As the forecast predicted. That is dependent. So second clause second clause is independent. That is, the weather was dreadful for the whole of the weekend. The weather was dreadful for the whole of the weekend. That is independent. First part is dependent. Second part is independent.
Independent clause.
Yes, independent clause. First clause is dependent clause. Second part is independent
Independent clause.
Independent
Independent
clause.
clause.
Next, last sentence, you can see 11th sentence. She arrived early
Arrived
as I expected.
as I
She arrived
expected.
early as I expected. She arrived early. What is that, ma? She arrived early. Am tondaraga ochindi.
Depend.
Independent. That is independent. Am tondaraga వచ్చేసింది.
Independent.
తొందరగా
As I expected.
She arrived
Depended.
early. As I expected. Independent. నేను అనుకున్న విధంగా, నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన విధంగా. సో నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన విధంగా ఏమైంది?
Independent clause.
So that is
Second is dependent clause.
depending on the first part. So second part is dependent clause.
First dependent clause.
She arrived early is independent. As I expected is dependent.
Dependent clause. As I expected, dependent clause.
Okay, fine. Now let us move to the textbook exercise. Here they have given in page number 33. Mahendra, you can put the next slide, 4th slide. Mahendra. So you can see in the textbook, ma. Open the textbook. See page number 33. That exercise is there. So complete the following sentences with appropriate adverbial clauses. Use the adverbs wherever they are given in, wherever they are given in brackets. Okay, if adverbs are there in the brackets, you use that one. Otherwise, your own sentences with your own, just you have to fill the blanks. So first one, the teacher entered the class. The teacher entered the class. Just you can complete that one. See, when the prayer was started. Write down. When the prayer was started. When the prayer was started. When the prayer was started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Started. Next one. The dog ran into a speeding car when, write down, when, W-H-E-N, when it was taking U-turn. When it was taking, T-A-K-I-N-G, taking U-turn. When it was taking U-turn.
I was in deep.
Next, third sentence. I was in deep sleep. I was in deep sleep.
Deep.
Since I was tired. I was in deep sleep since I was tired. T-I-R-E-D. Next one. Someone knocked at the door.
Madam,
Someone knocked at the door when I was eating breakfast. When I was eating breakfast. When I was eating breakfast.
third one ఇంకోసారి చెప్పండి మా.
When someone knocked at the door when I was eating breakfast. Next one, fifth one.
మేడం థర్డ్ ఇంకోసారి చెప్పండి మేడం.
You can check fifth one, ma. The crowd cheered Michael Stone. Already they have given in brackets, ma, that as soon as they have given So let us use that as soon as. The crowd cheered Michael Stone as soon as he won the National Junior Olympics. As soon as he
Number.
won, WON, he won the
Okay, Mahesh.
National
Now, slides में writing.
National Junior Olympics. National Junior Olympics. Next one, sixth
Madam.
one.
మేడం థర్డ్ వన్ ఇంకోసారి.
Third one, ma. I was in deep sleep since I was tired. Since I was tired. TIRED.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Clear, ma? Is it clear?
మ్యామ్ ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Since I was tired. TIRED. Sixth one, you write down. Sixth one. It is high time the cricket board thought of different alternatives as they have given in the bracket. So let us take as the present team, as the present team. The present, PRESENT, present team is not that strong. The present team is not that strong. STRONG, strong. Okay, next let us move.
Last one.
Last one. Okay, ma. Once again, I repeat. It is high time the cricket board thought of a different alternatives as the present team. The present, PRESENT, present team, TEAM, team is not that strong. That, THEAT, that strong. Okay. Yes, just you can page number 34. Writing they have given. So they asked you to write the biography. Here they have given some details. So you have read the biography of Michael Stone. Think of some world famous sporting personalities from India. Collect information about any one of them and write a biographical sketch. So they asked you to collect information about some sportsman. Collect information and write biographical sketch. So already true height, that biographical sketch we read. So what are things should be there in a biographical sketch? While writing the biographical sketch, what are things we have to keep in our mind? Here they have given the list of things they have given here. Just you can check in the textbook. That is, you may include the following. So following things we have to write. What are they? Date and place of birth. So date, when they was born, that date and place of birth. Compulsory we have to write. Next, information about the family. Family details we have to write in the biographical stage. What is her father's name, mother's name? They have any siblings? That is just sisters or brothers. We have to write their names also. Family background also you can write. What is his father? What is his mother? You can write that one. Next, achievements of the person, awards, prizes, honors. So if they have achieved anything, some prizes they got or some titles they have won. So all those we have to include in that biography. Next, important events in the life of the person, education, marriage, profession, etc. So just you can write about his education, the person's education. You can write where he has taken that education. So where, in which school, or what he has studied, or just I can say which college, in which college he has completed his intermediate and where he has completed his degree. So just where he has took his master's degree. So all these things you can write. About education you can write, about marriage, about his just about his wife's name. If just you are writing about a woman, then you can write about her husband's name, children. You can write all this information, and even profession also. what he is, what she is, that profession also we can write. Next, inspiration to others, message to the society. So what message we are getting from the life of that particular person. So here, just true height lesson is there. So it is giving the message that even the disabled people also, if they are strong enough, if their willpower is very strong, they can achieve things. Like ordinary people, normal people, the disabled people can achieve things. That message we got from True Height. In the same way, just we have to give some message. What message we got from the life of those people, we have to write. Next, contribution to his or her field and society. So what contribution they have done, how they have served, or to the society, if they have done something, or some contribution to the society, if they are inspiring the public, or if they are giving some message to the public. So all these things we can write. So in biography, all these things we have to write. So here they asked you to write, gather information about any sportsman, and all these information just you collect and write a biography. So to make it easy, I'm giving one sample biography to you. Okay. So now just I'm going to display Agarwal's details and biography also. Just I'm giving. Based on this, you can write this one. Okay. So Mahendra, you can put next slide. 5th slide, you can put Mahendra. Just see here. See here. Just you can note down. The details you note down. This is example one I'm giving. You can note down. This is the information about P.N. Agarwal. P.N. Agarwal. Dr. P.N. Agarwal. Dr. P.N. Agarwal. DM, FRCS, cardiac surgeon. So cardiac surgeon. Full name. Prem Narayan Agarwal. Father's name. Dr. A.N. Agarwal, cardiac surgeon. Even father also cardiac surgeon only. Presently working as Director, Heart Care Research Institute, Agra. So at present, he is working in Heart Care Research Institute, Agra. Achievements, Government of India, honor, Padma Vibhushan. So what achievements? Padma Vibhushan he got. He got Padma Vibhushan for conducting 300 successful bypass surgeries. So conducting bypass surgery is not, it is not an easy job. You know that. So he has conducted 300 successful bypass surgeries. That's why he got the title Padma Vibhushan. And for human heart transplants also. Yeah. Heart transplants also he has done. 4. So just replacing with somebody's heart. Even that also he has done. 4 successfully he has completed. 4 heart transplants also. So write on that. Everyone should write in the classwork. This is the example one. You can write this one. Maitri, are you writing, ma? Maitri is writing or not? Show your book, Maitri. Maitri, show your classwork. You are not writing?
Writing, madam.
Ah, okay, fine. Write down. Now, all of you log in with your names. I can't make out. Log in with the names and school name. Rahul, sleeping or writing, ma? Writing? Okay, fine. Write down. Devraj, Aitepalli. Writing, ma? Are you writing, Devraj? Devraj, are you writing? Say yes or no. Writing? Devraj is there. Devraj, Aitepalli, are you writing? No, you are not writing. Write down. Sit properly and write down. Okay. Yes, completed, ma? Completed? If you want, you can take the screenshot, ma. You can take screenshot. Slowly you can write.
Okay, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Mahendra, you put next slide. Slide, Mahendra. Yes. So you can see the answer for that. Biography, you can see the biography here. Children, you take screenshot. Better you take screenshot. Slowly you can write. Take screenshot, after that start writing.